Welcome back to Everyday English. Today we're joining our friends Emma and Liam on a shopping trip to the city center. Listen in to their conversation to hear some common phrases and questions you can use when you're out and about in the shops. Let's listen.
Okay, Liam, here we are at the shopping center. First stop, I really need some new jeans. My old ones are looking a bit tired. Sounds good, Emma. I'm just looking for a new book, maybe a thriller, something to read on my train journeys. Do you want to try the big department store first for your jeans? They usually have a good selection. Good idea. Let's head to Fashion Forward on the ground floor.
Wow, it's quite busy today, isn't it? Lots of people.
Yeah, it's Friday afternoon. Everyone's probably finishing work and coming here. Oh, here we are. Fashion Forward. Right, jeans. So many different styles. Excuse me, do you have these jeans in a smaller size? These are a bit big.
Certainly. What size are you looking for?
I think I need a size 10.
Let me just check for you. Yes, we have a size 10 in stock. Would you like to try them on? The fitting rooms are just over there.
Oh, perfect. Yes, please. Thanks. Wish me luck.
Good luck. I'll just browse the men's section quickly while you're in there. Where can I find the books or magazine section?
Books? Oh, we don't actually sell books here, sir. You'll find a large bookstore just 2 doors down on your left. It's called the Book Nook.
Oh, my mistake. Thanks very much. Right, the Book Nook. Good to know. How are those jeans looking, Emma?
Almost there. Do these look okay? Opens curtain slightly.
They look pretty good. They fit you well. Are they comfortable?
Yeah, they feel nice. I think I'll get them. Excuse me, I'll take these. How much are they?
They're £45.50.
Okay. Do you take card?
Yes, we do. You can pay at the till at the front.
Great, thanks.
Right, this must be the Book Nook. Much quieter in here.
Perfect. You find your book and I might just look at the sale rack over there. I don't really need anything else, but you never know.
To himself. Thrillers. Ah, here we go. To shop assistant. Excuse me, do you have the new Lee Child novel, The Sentinel? Bookstore assistant. Calm, friendly. Let me check for you. Taps on computer.
Yes, we do. It's on aisle 3, just near the front on the new releases shelf.
Excellent. Thank you. How's the sale rack looking, Emma? Any treasures?
Not really. Just some tops that aren't my style. I think I'm done here. Are you ready to pay for your book?
Yup. How much is this book? Great. Can I pay by contactless?
Yes, just tap your card here.
Right, that's done. I'm feeling a bit hungry now. Fancy grabbing something to eat at the food hall?
Good idea. I could do with a coffee too. What are you thinking of having?
I saw a place that does really nice sandwiches, or maybe a salad.
I'll probably go for a burger or maybe some noodles.
Wow, it's packed in here. Look, there's a free table by the window. Let's grab that first.
Right. I'll go order the drinks. What would you like, Emma?
Just a regular black coffee for me, please.
Okay, I'll get a latte. And then we can meet back here and decide on food.
Sounds good to herself. That burger place looks good.
Oh, I sorry did. Liam returns, carrying 2 coffees. Here we go. 1 black coffee for you, 1 latte for me.
Thanks, Liam. So, what are you thinking for food?
I think I'll go for the noodles from Walkstar. How much is the chicken noodle dish?
The chicken noodles are £7.50.
Okay, I'll have that, please.
Eat in or take away?
Eat in, please.
That'll be £7.50, please. I think I'll get a salad from the place next door. They look really fresh.
Good choice. I'll wait here with the coffees.
What to looks to that?
Certainly. Would you like any dressing with that?
Yes, please. The balsamic vinaigrette. That'll be £6.90. Here you go. Thanks.
That's a wrap.
And that brings us to the end of today's Everyday English. We hope you enjoyed joining Emma and Liam on their shopping trip. It was a great way to hear how to use English in real-life situations. Words you learned today. Let's quickly go over some of the important English words and phrases you heard in our conversation. Jeans, a type of casual trousers, usually made of denim. Emma needed new ones. Book, something you read, with pages and a cover. Liam was looking for a new book. Shopping center, a large building with many different shops inside. This is where Emma and Liam went. Department store, a big shop that sells many different types of goods, often on different floors. Smaller size, when you need clothes that are not as big as the ones you have. Shop assistant, a person who works in a shop and helps customers. Fitting rooms, small rooms in a clothes shop where you can try on clothes to see if they fit. Browse, to look around a shop without necessarily buying anything. Sale rack, a place in a shop where items are sold at a lower price. How much? A very common question used to ask about the price of something. Do you take card? Asking if you can pay with a bank card instead of cash. Contactless, a way to pay by simply tapping your card or phone on the payment machine. Till, the place in a shop where you pay for your items, also called a cash register. Bookstore, a shop that only sells books. Aisle, a passage between shelves of goods in a shop. Food hall, a large area in a shopping center with many different places to buy food and drinks. Eat in or take away, when buying food asking if you want to eat it there or take it somewhere else. Dressing, a sauce put on salads. You've done great by listening and learning these everyday English shopping words. Keep practicing them and you'll feel much more confident next time you go shopping. Join us again soon for more everyday English.
Thanks for having with us. See you soon.